My Landlady and I.
See, let me tell you now. You don't forget all you want. You understand anything I talk, they do just like that. You understand? No worry, they come very soon. Yeah, they come.
Wait, oh, hey. What kind of rubbish is this one now, eh?
I beg, ma call you back.
So God will not allow your life to be wasted. Why are you wasting my water now?
Well, you know the one that off the main switch. If not, I would have water in my room now. This morning salt will not come up.
Please help me off my water, Jare.
Anyway, Sha, today is a happy day. So, and meanwhile, water is made from God. So if like insult me from now till tomorrow, God will not stay answer you because water from me. Today is a happy day for me. So anything you say.
What is my business? Happy day, sad day. Finish my water. You're telling me about your happy day. Hey.
My mommy.
Hey. Oh, girl. So you're serving?
I'm a core member, mommy.
Hey. During my time, I will wear my uniform. Everybody used to see me that I'm serving.
Hey, mommy, that was a one time, Sha. But anyway, Sha, it will shock you that I will go and still bring certificate and show you that I serve.
Maybe you are going to go and bring all those small children because this is what you people do these days. You go and borrow and rent khaki and go and toast small children and bring them here.
I mean, leave all those small children. I'm not doing anything with small children. But don't worry, Sha. When I come back, you will see it.
Bring my certificate, you will see it.
Oh, bring go. Sha, come back before 7 because me, I will lock my gates.
Don't worry.
I knew it. Most of I said it. This boy is 419. Hey, this boy is a crook. That is what I knew he was not legit. Hey, Egbami, this boy should not bring police to my house. So, Hey, ghost member, copper, POP.
Wish to tell you that I love you till eternity. I'm madly in love with your gentle smile, the spark in your eyes, your warm touch, and the essence.
Since that I asked you to go to this lady's shop and collect my money for me, what? Nonsense.
Mama!
You are back.
My mommy.
I told you now. I told you that I'm serving. See, this is my certificate. Look at it. See.
That's me there.
So it's true. No. Talita. What am I going to do? Mommy is not supposed to see it. I think I need to go inside and tear it.
Mommy, I'm coming. I forgot my change.
He has been collecting alawi all this while. Every time he doesn't have money, No problem, he will come back.
Jesus!
Kilo Shele. Hey! Egbami o. Certificate Omolo. Hey, Egbami o. What have you done? What have you done? What? Hey! Please wake up. Hey! You've been collecting alawi. Where did you save it?